A very good morning to our respected panelists, dear students, and their parents. Myself, Nikita, welcome you all in today's interactive session. Without taking much of your time, let me introduce you all to the very important person of this whole process, respected Mr. Sumit Singh Sir, Deputy Director, Admissions and Marketing, holding more than 15 years of experience working for institutions like Manipal, Bharati Vidyapeeth, Pune, and Guardian Group. Has done masters in management from IMT Ghaziabad and Liverpool Business School, UK. Currently heading marketing and admissions for Amity University Jharkhand and Amity University Bihar. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, students. I'll give a brief about the session and all. We'll start the session with a video of Amity University Jharkhand, where we'll get to know about the infrastructure of Amity University Jharkhand and the pedagogy in which we deliver our programs. Thereafter, you can put across your queries and we can answer your queries one by one. Okay, so I'll start the session with the video.
कुछ दिया है, लेकिन हम क्या दे रहे हैं इस कंट्री को? बेस्ट थिंग दैट वी कैन गिव बैक टू द कंट्री इज द क्वालिटी एजुकेशन. बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर जो एमिटी जहाँ पे एज लेता है वो है ह्यूमन वैल्यूज, वैल्यू बेस्ड एजुकेशन. जिस तरह से आजकल वर्ल्ड चेंज होता जा रहा है, ऑटोमेशन आती जा रही है, डिजिटल इंडिया क्या डिजिटल वर्ल्ड होता जा रहा है, लेकिन एक ह्यूमन बीइंग्स को क्या चीज़ डिफर करती है, वो करती है ह्यूमन वैल्यूज. एक वैल्यू बेस्ड सिस्टम, बिहेवियरल साइंस जिसको हम बोलते हैं. तो एमिटी में हर बच्चे के लिए हर प्रोग्राम में बिहेवियरल साइंस पढ़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज एज अ ह्यूमन हमें नहीं भूलना चाहिए हमारी वैल्यूज़ क्या हैं टुवर्ड्स अवर एल्डर्स, टुवर्ड्स अवर सोसाइटी, टुवर्ड्स अदर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स.
एक कैंपस से 191 कैंपस और एक छात्र से 1.5 लाख से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का सफर आज अमेठी यूनिवर्सिटी छात्रों और अभिभावकों के बीच काफी लोकप्रिय है.
Amity University has already made its impact in the academic arena in such a big manner that it already has almost 7,000 to 8,000 faculty members teaching in its banner. It has now 10 universities under one banner and 10 universities in 10 different areas doing so well that we have almost 700 patents under our pocket. Bihar and Jharkhand students as it is will do everything to get educated, to get shaped, and Amity was providing that opportunity in Noida, and therefore an opportunity came in wherein the government of Jharkhand invited Amity to come over to Jharkhand, and Ranchi was the place where we were invited, and Amity University Jharkhand in its just 2 years of time has already made an impact.
AUJ spots the right candidate and believes in making that ordinary student to an extraordinary student with values and culture. We assure quality education with high-tech facilities and values cultures at your own city.
एक कैंपस जहां स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाई के साथ दूसरे क्षेत्रों का सही एक्सपोजर मिलता है, हुनर को संवारने की आजादी मिलती है. एक ऐसा कैंपस जो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए यादगार बन जाता है.
हम सबको पता है जर्नलिज्म एक ऐसा फील्ड है जो क्रिएटिविटी से रिलेटेड है. इससे बड़ा वर्ल्ड में कोई क्रिएटिविटी हो नहीं सकता जहां पर लोग एक सब्जेक्ट को पढ़कर अलग अलग स्ट्रीम्स में जाने की कोशिश करते हैं. आज हमारे बच्चे इस लायक हो गए हैं, फर्स्ट ईयर पढ़ने के बाद सेकेंड ईयर में हैं और इस लायक हो गए हैं, वो इंडस्ट्री रेडी है. वो आज एक अच्छे राइटर हो सकते हैं, एक अच्छे फिल्म मेकर बन सकते हैं, एक अच्छा एंकर बन सकते हैं. उनके पास वो सारी खूबी है जो आज की डेट में किसी इंडस्ट्री में होनी चाहिए. उनको हम रेडियो स्टेशन, टीवी चैनल्स, उन सारी जगहों पर लेके जाते हैं जहां पर उनको वो सारी चीजों का ज्ञान मिल सके, नॉलेज मिल सके, एक्सपीरियंस मिल सके, एक्सपर्टीज मिल सके, ताकि जब वो जॉब के लिए, एक्चुअल जॉब में, जो कि बहुत मुश्किल होता है, हम सब जानते हैं, जब वो एक्चुअल जॉब के लिए मार्केट में जाएंगे तो उनके हाथ खाली ना.
हम लोगों का जहाँ तक अचीवमेंट्स का बात है तो एमिटी में एक हमारा अपना एक मोटो है कि हम लोग सीखते हैं यहाँ पे. वी डोंट केयर अबाउट विनिंग और लूजिंग, वी रादर केयर अबाउट लर्निंग थिंग्स एंड प्रोड्यूसिंग चैंपियंस आउट हियर इन एमिटी.
मैं अपने डिपार्टमेंट की बात करूँ, एस्को एमिटी स्कूल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, तो हमारे डिपार्टमेंट से हमने सभी स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत काफ़ी कम समय में काफ़ी कुछ किया है। अगर हम संगठन की बात करें तो हमारी रिपोर्टिंग हुई है, हमारी खुद की मीडिया टीम है, हम प्रेस रिलीज लिखते हैं, प्रेस रिपोर्ट होती है, हमारी डॉक्यूमेंट्री शूटिंग भी होती है। और अगर मैं अपनी बात करूँ तो हमारी ऑनलाइन मैगजीन में पब्लिकेशंस भी हैं और नेशनल सेमिनार, इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस में हमने हाल फिलहाल में कलकत्ता और चक्रधरपुर में पेपर भी प्रेजेंट।
एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड सिर्फ एक शिक्षण संस्थान ही नहीं, एक सुखद अनुभव बन रहा है।
हमारी टीम जो है पूरे झारखंड में हर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कोशिश यही है कि हर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जाके हम लोग बहुत सारे इवेंट्स कंडक्ट कराते हैं, कैरियर काउंसलिंग्स होती हैं, सेमिनार्स, वर्कशॉप्स स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं। प्लस स्टूडेंट्स को हम लोग इनवाइट भी करते हैं हमारे कैंपस विजिट्स के लिए। और हम बहुत सारे मीडिया के लोगों से भी हम लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, उनके थ्रू भी हम लोग बहुत सारे स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट वगैरह भी ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं ताकि झारखंड के कोने कोने में इंफॉर्मेशन पास हो सके कि एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड हमारे यहाँ रांची में जो कैंपिंग है वर्ल्ड क्लास इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हम लोग प्रोवाइड किए हैं ताकि स्टूडेंट्स, झारखंड के स्टूडेंट्स हमारे यहाँ पे मतलब अपनी फ्यूचर यहाँ पे हमारे यूनिवर्सिटी में बना सके और यहाँ से मैक्सिमम जो माइग्रेशन जो होता है झारखंड से बाहर की तरफ उसको मिनिमाइज किया जा सके।
We are providing our students research-based studies through field visits, industry visits, seminars and club activities. In this direction, we have recently formed a club called Chanakya Club.
16 मई 2016 को झारखंड विधानसभा से एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड विधेयक पारित हुआ। उच्च शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में ग्लोबल क्वालिटीज के साथ एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड में 16 अलग-अलग कोर्सेज हैं।
Chemistry department's point of view, we have already organized one international conference on material science, energy and information technology. And chemistry department has got 130 lakhs worthy project from Government of India, Department of Science and Technology. And the students are also working in that project.
इस यूनिवर्सिटी का शानदार सफर 450 स्टूडेंट्स के साथ शुरू हुआ, लेकिन आज यहाँ 900 से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स हैं।
अभी हमारे पास बीबीए में 220 बच्चे हैं। हमारा जो बीबीए का करिकुलम है वो इंडस्ट्री के रिक्वायरमेंट्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए बनाया जाता है and time to time we keep on updating the syllabus and the curriculum depending upon the requirements in the industry.
If you are keen for your studies, this is the right place where you can shape your future. This is a ragging-free campus which is situated in the heart of the city, where we provide 360-degree opportunities for education as well as unfolding your potential.
एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड में स्टूडेंट्स को तकनीकी ज्ञान से जोड़ने पर जोर दिया जाता है। यहाँ स्मार्ट क्लासेस के जरिए एक साथ एमिटी के सभी सेंटर्स को जोड़कर स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं। रिसर्च और इनोवेशन जैसे जरूरी विषयों पर भी फोकस किया जाता है।
We are engaged into lot of research and publications. Till date, being a very young university, we can boast of the fact that we have a close to 100 publications for both our broad streams of engineering as well as management.
एकेडमिक से हटकर एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड में स्टूडेंट्स के लिए अलग से पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट क्लासेस चलाई जाती हैं। इससे न सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स का आत्मविश्वास बढ़ता है, बल्कि उनकी लीडरशिप और टीम वर्क जैसी क्वालिटीज भी संवरती हैं।
We have a very vibrant and enthusiastic student community, and we ensure that along with academics, they are involved in a lot many other activities, which ensures that they are having a all-round holistic development.
A sound mind exists in a healthy body. इसी सोच के साथ यूनिवर्सिटी में स्टूडेंट्स की फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज को बढ़ाने पर खास ध्यान दिया जाता है। स्टूडेंट्स खुद को हमेशा फ्रेश महसूस करें, इसके लिए कैंपस में कई तरह के स्पोर्ट्स और कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज पर जोर दिया जाता है।
We organize Amiphoria, which is a grand mega event which helps to provide platform and motivate the students in participation of cultural activities of this.
मुझे यहाँ से बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी से, साथ पढ़ाई के साथ यहाँ खेलकूद की भी बहुत अच्छी फैसिलिटीज है यहाँ पे।
एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड में अमेज़न पोर्टल के जरिए ट्रांसपेरेंसी रखी जाती है। इसे एक्सेस कर टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स और स्टूडेंट्स समय समय पर खुद का सही आकलन कर सकते हैं।
I'm also looking after entrepreneurship development cell, जिसमें हम लोग बच्चों को प्रेरणा देते हैं कि वो अपनी बिजनेस स्टार्ट करें। उनको हम ट्रेनिंग देते हैं कि किस तरह से वो स्टार्टअप का जो गवर्नमेंट का इनिशिएटिव है उसका हेल्प लेते हुए अपना कुछ बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकें।
हैपनिंग एनवायरनमेंट, एंथुसियास्टिक मैनेजमेंट और पॉजिटिव रेस्पॉन्स, एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड की खासियत हैं।
Classes off means we are in canteen and rates are really awesome. हम लोग दिन भर यहीं रहते हैं। सारी फैसिलिटीज़ है, केक्स एंड ऑल्स की जितने भी बर्थडे पार्टीज होते हैं हम लोग यहीं सेलिब्रेट करते हैं।
कैंटीन तो सभी को अच्छा लगता है, क्लासेस से ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगता है। तो लंच टाइम में या फिर फ्रेंड्स के साथ हैंग आउट करने हम लोग आ जाते हैं, रेगुलर बेसिस पे ही आते हैं।
पारदर्शिता और यहाँ का पारिवारिक माहौल इसे दूसरे शिक्षण संस्थानों से ज्यादा प्रभावशाली बनाता है।
12वीं के बाद कॉलेज सिलेक्शन की चिंता और फिर प्लेसमेंट का डर। एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड स्टूडेंट्स की जिंदगी के इन अहम सवालों पर विराम लगा रही है। आगे देखेंगे कैसे बेस्ट अपकमिंग यूनिवर्सिटी के खिताब से नवाजी गई एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड स्टूडेंट्स की पहली पसंद है।
बेहतरीन और सुरक्षित कैंपस, कुछ समय के लिए क्लासेस और मार्क्स से दूर, दोस्तों के साथ कैंटीन में बिताया खुशनुमा वक्त और एक्स्ट्रा ज्ञान के लिए लाइब्रेरी का शांत वातावरण।
हमारा जो विजन है यहाँ का ये है, हमारे बच्चों को जो एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड के जो बच्चे हैं उनको देना है, अच्छा नॉलेज देना है और गुड राइट इन्फॉर्मेशन देना है। ये हम लोगों का विजन है। दूसरा विजन हम लोग का ये है कि यहाँ पे जो बच्चों को रीडिंग हैबिट्स जो है उसको बढ़ाना है और एक गुड सिटीजनशिप देना है नेशन के लिए। और यहाँ हम लोग का फिजिकल लाइब्रेरी भी है और डिजिटल लाइब्रेरी भी है। हम लोग का जो भी बुक्स का रिक्वायरमेंट होता है हम लोग अपने जो दिल्ली नोएडा है वहाँ से हम लोग का बुक्स वहाँ से प्रोवाइड होता है। और बहुत तरह के हम लोग के बहुत डिपार्टमेंट है, पूरे डिपार्टमेंट्स का हम लोग का बुक्स, सभी तरह के बुक्स हम लोग का यहाँ पे है जो बच्चों के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट है, उन लोगों के सिलेबस के अनुसार सब है।
ये बहुत ही अच्छी जगह है। जब भी हमारे टीचर्स कुछ असाइनमेंट्स देते हैं या फिर कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स देते हैं बनाने के लिए, हम यहीं आके बनाते हैं।
We have plenty of books which is related to our syllabus and जब भी हमारा फ्री टाइम होता है, लाइक जब हमें को असाइनमेंट मिलते हैं तो हम लोग आके यहाँ पे अपना असाइनमेंट करते हैं। My exams are also coming, so we just make our groups and do group study. We usually come here in free times for doing our homeworks, assignments, consulting our teachers. They assign us some books for study. So every book according to our syllabus is available on this library.
झारखंड जैसे छोटे राज्य में एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड की स्थापना से आज यहाँ के युवाओं को वर्ल्ड क्लास एजुकेशन के लिए मेट्रो सिटीज पर निर्भर नहीं रहना पड़ता। एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड में 70 से ज्यादा फैकल्टी और 150 से ज्यादा टीचिंग और नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ हैं, जो दिन रात स्टूडेंट्स के बेहतर भविष्य के लिए तत्पर है।
We conduct seminars very periodically and very frequently we conduct some guest lecture coming from CSIR labs and from IIT also. Just few months before we had some workshop that was held on molecular biology. Molecular biology is very indispensable subject of biotechnology. That is the core area of biotechnology. So we have some expertise. They came from IIT Delhi. They conducted some workshops regarding that. And hopefully that workshop will give them a better aspect how to go for any industry or from other jobs and career opportunities.
यहाँ टीचर्स रिक्रूटमेंट के समय वीडियोग्राफी का इस्तेमाल भी किया जाता है। स्टूडेंट्स के ऑल राउंड ग्रूमिंग के लिए यहाँ अंग्रेजी के अलावा विदेशी भाषा जैसे स्पेनिश और फ्रेंच भी सिखाई जाती है।
We are in a part of a globe, especially झारखंड, बिहार, जहाँ पर बच्चों के साथ ये बहुत बड़ी परेशानी है, कम्युनिकेशंस। इंग्लिश को देख करके उनको बहुत डर लगता है और एमिटी एक ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट दे रहा है बच्चों को जहां पर हर सेमेस्टर में 1 क्रेडिट का 1 क्रेडिट इज कंपल्सरीली मेंट फॉर सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनिंग, प्रोफेशनल स्किल डेवलपमेंट एंड बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन।
फील्ड एक्सपोजर के लिए स्टूडेंट्स को देश के कई शहरों में भेजा जाता है।
In Amity curriculum, to make our student placeable and to increase their confidence, apart from their domain knowledge, what we do, you provide different other courses like French, behavioral science, English, history, biology for engineers, economics. So our students goes through all these subjects, which will enhance their overall personality. Apart from that, our students frequently visit different industries to learn the application of a particular topic in the industry, how it is applied in the industry.
एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड का दावा है कि यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स को 100% प्लेसमेंट दिया जाता है, जिससे यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स को सीधा फायदा मिलता है।
जहाँ तक प्लेसमेंट की बात है, ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स आर इंटरेस्टेड इन प्लेसमेंट, अराउंड 80% ऑफ देम आर प्लेस्ड, और अभी भी ऑल कंपनीज आ रही हैं प्लेसमेंट के लिए।
अभी तो हमारे कंट्री में अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो ऑब्वियस मेरा बीटेक स्ट्रीम रहा है, फिर मैंने MBA करा, इसीलिए कि कैरियर में कुछ अच्छा कर सकूँ, एंड ऑब्वियस एमिटी में आके वो फुलफिल हुआ है।
यही नहीं, 12वीं में 93% से ज्यादा अंक लाने वाले स्टूडेंट्स को एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी 100% स्कॉलरशिप देती है। इसके अलावा 88% से ज्यादा अंक लाने वाले स्टूडेंट्स को 50% स्कॉलरशिप दिया जाता है, और यहाँ 70% से ज्यादा अंक लाने वाले स्टूडेंट्स को 25% स्कॉलरशिप दिया जाता है।
As a team, we bridge the students with the industry. The industry experts, they visit our colleges on a regular basis for the guest lecture and all. So along with our faculty members who are part of the core team, we work together as a team. Main aim is to make our students industry ready, so that once the students they pass out from our college, they are ready to give their 100% in the corporates.
भविष्य की जरूरतों को देखते हुए एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड अपने कैंपस का भी विस्तार कर रहा है, जिसमें स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स के साथ कई वर्ल्ड क्लास सुविधाएं मुहैया कराई जाएंगी। नए कैंपस में स्टूडेंट्स के लिए लॉ और दूसरे कोर्सेज भी उपलब्ध होंगे। सिर्फ 2 साल के इस सफर में एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड का क्वालिटेटिव स्टेटस लगातार बढ़ रहा है। यहाँ के शिक्षकों ने अब तक 60 से भी ज्यादा रिसर्च पेपर्स का प्रकाशन किया है।
Basically, the main work of our algorithm was that to increase the major concept of the CPU utilization, as well as to increase the throughput of the system, and we try to minimize our average waiting time and turnaround time. For that, we designed an algorithm and compared that algorithm with the other 2 algorithms, that was an even odd algorithm and the predefined round robin algorithm. And through that, we found that our algorithm was much more efficient with the other 2, and hence our paper was a successful paper for us.
2017 में एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड को बेस्ट अपकमिंग यूनिवर्सिटी का अवार्ड दिया गया।
We have selected best out of the best candidates who can qualify the MIT standards and can contribute to industry and society in the best possible manner. The teaching in MIT is unique and industry oriented. We invite industry experts in our board of studies to make our curriculum as per industry requirement.
यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स की बनाई हुई मैं स्त्री हूँ शॉर्ट फिल्म को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय फिल्म फेस्टिवल झारखंड की ओर से बेस्ट स्टूडेंट फिल्म का अवार्ड दिया गया।
एमिटी ने हमें एक बहुत ही बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड किया था, जहाँ की हम लोगों ने अपनी फिल्म तैयार की, जिसका टाइटल था विचक्राफ्ट, एक डॉक्यू ड्रामा था जो कि रियलिटी पे बेस्ड था। वो अभी झारखंड इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में नॉमिनेट हुआ है, और हमारे ही क्लास से सेम क्लास से एक और भी शॉर्ट फिल्म थी मैं स्त्री हूँ। ये भी ये जो वुमेन का कंडीशन है, जैसे ट्रैफिकिंग हो रहा है, इतने सारे रेप्स, वो भी उसको कंक्लूड करके हम लोगों ने एक और दूसरी फिल्म बनाई, और दोनों झारखंड इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में प्रमोट हुआ।
एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी का मिशन 2030 तक इंडिया को नॉलेज हब बनाना है। देश के हर राज्य में एक क्वालिटी सेंट्रिक विश्वविद्यालय की स्थापना हो, इसके लिए एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी हर संभव कोशिश कर रही है। वर्ल्ड क्लास एजुकेशन के साथ झारखंड के हर युवा तक पहुंचना एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड का लक्ष्य है।
हमारे ऑनरेबल फाउंडर प्रेसिडेंट का जो स्वप्न है, जो सपना है, उसको पूरा करने में पूरी एमिटी टीम बड़े सबल रूप से उनके साथ है। उनका सपना है कि 2030 तक भारतवर्ष एक बार फिर से, जैसे एंशिएंट पीरियड में हम एजुकेशन के हब थे और एजुकेशन शिक्षा भारत से प्रारंभ होता था और भारत में खत्म होता है, वो आज हो जाए। भारत से शिक्षा प्रारंभ हो, भारत में खत्म हो जाए। कोई ऐसी विधा ना हो जहां हम एमिटी का शिक्षण ना दे रहा हो, कोई वैसा एरिया ना हो जहां हमारा रिसर्च ना हो रहा हो, कोई ऐसी जानकारी ना हो जो हमारे बच्चों को नाम मालूम हो, और जो बच्चे हमारे अमेरिका और इंग्लैंड जा रहे हैं पढ़ने के लिए, वो उन्हें वहाँ जाने की जरूरत ना हो, वो हर वर्ल्ड क्लास की फैसिलिटी, वर्ल्ड क्लास के टीचर्स उनको पढ़ाएं।
We make our student prepare as per the requirement.
there is the demand in the industry. Name the technology, we make the student prepare.
MIT Ranchi provided me a unique platform for presenting my ideas, my research topics in international conferences held in different parts of the country. I took part in many conferences held in Kolkata and also in Xavier College Ranchi. In Xavier's College Ranchi, I presented the idea of Bionic Eye, which is powered by Nano Generator, and there I was awarded with the Best Poster Presentation Award in Biotech department. MIT Ranchi is providing me chances to come up with this idea, and they are also, faculties are guiding me very much so that I can bring this system into real existence.
रीजनेबल फीस स्ट्रक्चर और हायर एजुकेशन में कंट्रीब्यूशन से एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड यहाँ के युवाओं की फर्स्ट चॉइस बन रही है।
So students, you got to know about our infrastructure and pedagogy and our students' achievements through this video. Now I'll get a brief about Amity University Jharkhand existence and all. Amity University Jharkhand got established in 2016 by government of Jharkhand by passing an act in the Legislative Assembly of Jharkhand. Amity University Jharkhand is part of Amity Education Group. Amity Education Group has currently 12 university campus in India and around 10 overseas campus. And apart from, Amity is as well into schoolings, right from preschools. Amity has a vision to start campus in every state of India, as well as to have around 50 campus in abroad locations. And that's the reason Amity University has established a campus in Jharkhand. The reason behind is that Amity wants to bring in the quality education in all respective states so that students of that respective state should not migrate and should get the same quality education in their state as well. So they do not have to go to other locations like Mumbai, Delhi and other locations for quality education, and they should get the quality education in Jharkhand as well. And that's the reason Amity University has established a campus in Jharkhand locations. If I talk about the industry exposures and all, what Amity University has been providing to our students. So whatever program you enrolled for and whatever subject you study, in every subject we bring in guest lectures, guest speakers. The purpose behind is to know, to make you understand the application of the subject. The reason behind is we are into a professional education thing and want you to be trained onto every aspect. So we make sure that you are aware about in what ways subject you're studying is going to be applicable in the industry. And that's the reason industry experts have been brought in and they get you know about the industry application of the subject. Second is industry visits. We make sure that we take you to various industries where you go and can experience, can know how industry works and how your program or whatever you're studying is applicable or is associated with that industry. So we do a regular industry visits of students, go to industries and all. Apart from that, we provide internship opportunity at the end of every year. That means whatever you studied in the complete year, you can go and can experience in the industry and can learn that. And if I compare it to other institutions like other institutions, they provide only one internship in the complete program. But Amity University provides internship at the end of every year. That means if you enroll for a 3-year or 4-year program, you get 2 to thrice opportunity before placements to go and work in the industry and experience and gain experience. And we provide on-campus placements. Companies come to the campus and we provide on-campus placements, probably in the second last semester. And majorly all students gets placed when the company comes in. If I talk about placements opportunity, the highest package been offered at Amity University Jharkhand is around 10 lakh rupees and the average package is around 4 to 5 lakh rupees. And all major FMCG brands like Nestle, Colgate Palmolive, Hindustan Unilever, Marico, Berger Paint, Asian Paint has been coming for recruitment. If I talk about all major IT companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture has been coming for recruitment. And if you talk about banking sectors like Federal Bank, SDFC Bank, Axis Bank, they have been coming for recruitment. So all major organizations are interested in taking Amity students and our students get placed all across Bihar and Jharkhand. Apart from that, even if the student wishes to go to other locations, even they get placements from outside Bihar, Jharkhand as well. If I talk about placements, before placements, we make sure that every student is made employable, is made job ready. And for that, we have got 4 employability enhancement programs, which is a compulsory 4 subjects being added in any program you enroll for. You go for BCom, BA English or LLB, law programs, you have to go through this major 4 employability enhancement programs. One is foreign language. So we train into French language, French being the most accepted and most spoken foreign language after English all across the globe. So train into foreign language, we train to French language. Second one is computers. To enroll for a computing or non-computing program like BCom or BA English, we train into computers. The reason behind is at the end of the day, when you get placed, you have to go and work on the computers. Third is communication. We see to it that your communication gets improved, and we work upon, and we have a proper automated communication lab, which helps you improve your communication. The fourth is behavioral science. Many times students are good into every aspect, but do get rejected on the behavioral aspect, and the company said that this person is not good in team, is not good at team player, or is probably lacks leadership quality. So we see to it that we inculcate that behavioral aspect, so you do not get rejected on that part, and you get selected into corporates on every aspect. So these are the things which we have informed you in terms of our employability enhancement, your placements. Apart from that, Amity University gives you an opportunity that if you are interested in placements into locations like Noida, Gurgaon, Mumbai, and other locations, Amity University provides you option of studying for complete last year into any of our campus. That means if you enroll for a 3-year program like BBA, BCom, BCA, BA English kind of program, you can study for 2 years at Amity University Jharkhand and can get transferred to last year in any of our campus, can study there, do project there itself, and even can appear for placements there itself. So that's an advantage with what Amity University provides. You enroll for a 4-year program or 5-year program like BTech or BLLB or BBLLB, you can study for 4 years or 3 years at Amity University Jharkhand and can go for the 4th or the 5th year, final year at Amity University Noida, Gurgaon, Mumbai, any location, and can study there and can take placements from there itself. Similarly, if you enroll for a 2-year program like MBA and MCA, you can study for 1 year at Amity University Jharkhand and can get transferred to the final year to Noida or any campus and can study there, do your project there itself, and can appear for placement there itself. So that's an advantage what Amity University provides, having multiple campuses. Apart from that, if anyone who wishes to go to abroad location, abroad campuses, they can go for 1 month immersion program, 1 month project activity in any of our campus. They can go to Dubai, New York, Mauritius, China, Singapore, Romania, South Africa. There's multiple locations where we have campus. Students can opt these campuses and can go and study for 1 month, do their project, and come back and can get the good international exposure and can add it to their resume and CV for the placements benefit. So this is what Amity University provides, having multiple campus in India and abroad locations. If I talk about Amity Group has around 175,000 students right now in this in all their campuses. It's a huge number, and no other university can match that strength. There are more than 150 plus institutions, and there are more than 6,500 permanent employees, permanent faculties working for Amity University Group. And similarly, if I talk about Amity University Jharkhand, as per AICT norm, there's 1:20 ratio. There should be 1 faculty on 20 students. But we are following a ratio of 1:12, 1:15, better than AICT. That means on every 12 to 15 students, we have 1 faculty. There are more than 85 permanent faculties working in Amity University Jharkhand, providing you benefit all across time. So this is the advantage what Amity University Jharkhand provides. Now, if you have any query, you can put across a query in chat box and we can answer to your queries. Students having any query can put across their query in the chat box and we can answer to your queries. You can put these queries to me and I can answer these queries. Read out these queries.
Komal Rani. She has not written the full where of the events.
There's some other query of Komal Rani. You can read out with Chanchal Kumari, like she has some query.
Saurabh Kumar, sir, as I am interested, just a moment, sir, it's all vanishing one by one. Saurabh Kumar, sir, as I am interested in BCA program, please provide me brief into about faculty and environment, etc.
Saurav, regarding BCA program, I have said that we have best of the faculties. Our faculties get centrally recruited from our headquarters, Delhi itself, and all our faculties are either PhD or NET qualified as per the AICT and UGC guidelines. So we have the best of the faculties with us. You don't have to worry on that part. And these all faculties are permanent faculties. They are not visiting faculties like other institutions, wherein they come, they teach, and they go. They're available all around for you. So at any point, you can provide help from them. And if I talk about the environment, we try to provide best of the environment in terms of education, in terms of academic, all in terms of academic. I spoke about that we provide good industry exposure by bringing in industry experts for providing industry application of the subject you have studied. We provide you industry visits, we provide you internship opportunity, you go and work in the various industries. You go and work in the industries, and apart from that, we provide multiple sports facility as well as other extracurricular activities within the campus.
Second question is from Komal Rani. Sir, where all the events of Amity Rakshi happens?
Currently, since we have a smaller campus, currently we have two auditorium or two seminar hall within our campus itself in the two buildings, wherein small events and activities happens. Apart from that, bigger events like mega events like Amephoria, which is a college fest or the university fest, happens at a bigger location like Khelgaon and all. But once we have a bigger campus, probably which is coming up at Dhurwa, then we'll have all events happening at within our campus itself.
Third question is from Priya Saluja. Sir, I wanted to know which department in MBA gets more placement opportunity.
It's not a matter of which department at our end. If you look by the industry, the maximum people who works in any other organization is into marketing and sales, because that is the point wherein that revenue comes in the company, and the most required part and most important part is marketing and sales. So that could be one major part wherein you get more recruitment happening.
Any more questions, students?
This question about mass comm. Please talk about mass comm. There's some student who have put across a query, Chanchal Kumari. So if I talk about mass comm, in this video as well as been seen, we have a proper studio setup happening within our campus, which trains students on the practical aspect of mass comm. Our students are all involved into right from creating videos, editing, and every aspect. And they have as well created documentary movies which have been awarded in the film, this international film festivals at Jharkhand. So that quality has been coming out at mass comm level. And if I talk about placement opportunity, all major print media, electronic media has been recruiting our students.
Another question is from Satyam Kumar Ram. Explain BCom facilities.
BCom is a traditional program, but we at our end take it as a more professional part, adding more specialization into it, like audit, accounting, and other aspects into it to make it more professional. It's a semester-based program, and in BCom as well, our placements are done. Internships are provided. It's just not like a traditional program. We provide internship opportunity as well as placement opportunity in BCom program as well. Our BCom students have been placed into companies, into banking sector like Federal Bank, and Federal Bank has offered around 3.85 lakh package to our BCom students.
Next is from Suman Kumar. What are the facilities and placements of BCom students? Facilities already you have explained, sir.
And placement as well, I have informed that all major companies have been recruiting our students, and students have gone to Federal Bank and other companies as well at a package of around, average package of around 2 to 3 lakh rupees.
Ankit Kumar, how many students get opportunity to get in multi-campus programs?
Multi-campus program, like it is not like we have not put any condition to it. It is allowed to, like any student who wish can apply for it and can go for multi-campus. That means they can study for 2 years. If you're not for a 3-year program, you can study for 2 years here and can go for final year to any of our campus. And it is a non-conditional thing. We do not have, we have not kept any condition for it. So if you wish, you can apply for it. You can go to any of our campus and study for a final year.
So another question has been come from Badal Jaiswal. So what are the internships regarding BCA program?
All major software companies within Jharkhand, Bihar, as well as companies into other locations like Delhi, Bangalore, and multiple locations, we have been providing internship opportunity to students within Jharkhand as well. And students have been traveling to Delhi and Bangalore and multiple locations for internship opportunity. So they have been provided best internship opportunity in companies like Wipro, TCS, and all. So they do not have to worry, and they get good internship opportunity within these best IT companies.
Next is the question for from Shinu. What are the facilities and placements of BBA students?
BBA, since it's a graduate program, undergraduate program before MBA, so it's similar like placements what happens in MBA program. Students who do MBA do get placements into managerial positions, wherein students who do BBA gets into executive positions. Almost that's the difference. So students who have done MBA might get placements of 4 to 5 lakh or 6 lakh rupees. Similarly, for the similar kind of activity, BBA students get placements of around 2 to 3 lakh rupees. That's the difference. Students of BBA do get placements into companies like banking sectors like Axis Bank, SDFC Bank, Federal Bank, even into our FMCG brands like Hindustan Unilever, Nestle, and Colgate-Palmolive.
Next question is from Suryanshu Kumar. Good morning, sir, and good morning, ma'am. I had filled the form for BCA, but later on I saw an website for BCA plus MCA integrated course. So can I change the code?
Yeah, that you can apply separately. You can send a mail on our admission requesting for change of program, and that can be done.
Next question is from Saurabh Kumar. Sir, in context about placements regarding BCA.
BCA has said that the companies that TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture has been coming for recruitment, and our students do get placement in these companies. Specifically for BCA, Wipro has come up with a proposal to Amity University, wherein students will be placed with Wipro. They will work for 5 days, Monday to Friday, and for weekends they will be enrolled into a postgraduate program for their upgradation. And while working with Wipro, they'll upgrade it to postgraduate program. This is the advantage what Wipro provides to our Amity students.
Farida Fatima, sir, I want to know what are the facilities for BBA students?
BBA, I said, like similar facility. If I talk about academic facility, it's almost similar to all what we are providing to other students. You get best infrastructure in terms of your classrooms, best faculties for your teaching, and industry exposure. Similar to other courses, you get industry exposure. Industry experts have been brought to teach you, to get you know about the subject you're studying, the application level of subject you're studying. You'll be sent to industry visits. Then you provide internship opportunity at the end of every year. And at the end of the day, if you require placements, you do get placements opportunity.
Suman Kumar again. In which UG course we get more packages?
It depends upon your interest. Packages comes out of your interest and the capability you have gained while working, while studying that program. So you are enrolled into any program, be it BCom, be it BGMC, be it BBA, whatever skills you develop while studying, that will lead you to a better package. So it is not a matter of program. It's a matter of your interest, your aptitude, and your capability and skills you have gained while studying these programs at the campus. It's your interest. It's not a matter of placement. So you choose as per your interest and aptitude. That will help you get more package rather than going by the crowd.
Badal Jaswal, sir, I'm interested in the field of cyber security field. So is there any facilities for that?
While doing BCA, MCA program, there might be some specialization which will come in your MCA program that will help you learn onto cyber security or internet security, we call it. So there's a specialization in MCA programs. While after completing a BCA and then getting into MCA, you'll get multiple specialization options like hardware part, software part, database management, so high-end server part, and internet security. So you can choose internet security as a specialization and can get into cyber security.
From Akash Deep, good morning, sir and ma'am. What are the facilities and placement opportunities about BTech biotechnology?
Facilities, if I talk about, we have best of labs available within our campus. So you get trained onto best of labs facility, and we have best faculties as well. And recently, it's been almost a year or two, we have backed a government research project into biotechnology, and our faculty and students work on those. So you think that if you get to work on research projects given by government, sponsored by government, what kind of exposure you'll get and what kind of placement opportunity you'll get once working on these projects. So that's an advantage what Amity University provides, being a research-oriented university, that many research-oriented projects have been given, have been backed by Amity University by government in terms of sponsorship, and students, faculties work on those. And if I talk about placement opportunity, all best biotech industries do come for placement opportunity, and student gets placed into these companies.
Saurabh Kumar again, sir, if I wish for MCA after BCA, then what is the difference between placements as compared to BCA?
BCA is moreover a basic program or foundation program for being a software engineer. You learn all basic programming languages over here, and in MCA you get an opportunity to specialize into this aspects, because there are multiple things into software aspect. It is just not designing software. You can work at the back end, that is the database management. You can work into information security. You can work into high-end server part. So it's your choice. So in BCA, you'll get to learn all these things, and it will make you more clear that where is your inclination, where is your aptitude, whether you should get into software designing, whether you should get into database management. Similarly, you can opt accordingly. The specialization or MCA, specialize in that and can get into a good job after doing your specialization in that program.
Yes, sir. Even we can go for cyber security, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence.
There are multiple specialization options into MCA, right, and that can help you choose one once you have the basic knowledge during your BCA.
The student Manish, he's asking one question. This is a beautiful question. Like, being a part of global university, how we will be benefited in Amity University, Jharkhand?
Being a global university, we have around 10 to 12 overseas campus right now, and we do provide an option to students that if they wish, they can go for 1 month project immersion while studying at Amity University, Jharkhand. So here we help you provide international exposure on the subject what you're studying. Go and interact with international experts at a campus in these locations. Like I have said, we have a campus in New York, we have campus in Dubai, Singapore, Mauritius, China, Romania, South Africa. So multiple locations, first of all. Second, if you wish to take complete transfer to any of this campus, like probably you have studied for a year or two, and now you want to go and continue education in our global campus like New York, China, UK, where these programs are running. You can look for transfer. You can go and can apply for lateral admissions and can go and can completely transfer a program to these campuses. You can go and study in these campuses and can take placement opportunity there itself. So Amity provides you, helps you to get global placement opportunity studying at Amity University, Jharkhand, or Amity Education Group.
Next question is from Priya Saluja. Sir, I wanted to know that in last year, how many students got placed in MBA program? What is the strength of the class?
If I talk about the MBA program, there were around 60 students, and almost all students are placed, be it good companies or an average company, but all students have been placed, and they have got good package of around average package of 4 to 5 lakh rupees. And the companies which have come, if I talk about the companies, all major FMCG, IT, and banking sectors have come for placement opportunity within a campus.
The next question is from Rajiv Nayan. When will the classes get started for PCA program?
We're expecting to start this session by September if government allows us. Like if you're allowed to open our campus and we are allowed, we might open our campus, or we might start our program from September.
And last question, I think, from Kushi. Sir, I want to do PCA, but maths is not my subject, but I'm interested in computer science. Is there any problem related maths while I do the course?
Yes. There are many queries like this, that students who do not have maths do want to get into computer science program or BCA kind of program. BCA, they might be any problem doing the BCA, but if you want to upgrade yourself and now you want to do MCA or any or you want to get into upgrade, like if you want to upgrade into MCA program, you will require mathematics, because in MCA program there are multiple mathematics subjects which you might have studied or might like is available into your +2. That is trigo, calculus, and is available. So if you do not have the math background, you will not be able to cope up and might fail. And for software development as well and software designing as well, mathematics is one more core subject to understand that and to get into this. So without mathematics, you cannot be a good software designer or software engineer.
Right, sir. Next question is from Nikhil Ambasta from PGMC. So, sir, some information about mass communication like placements and packages.
If I talk about infrastructure, we have a right infrastructure for our BGMC program. We have a studio, we have a proper high-end editing software with us. We have a proper 2D, 3D designing MATLAB available, wherein students are trained into 2D and 3D designing on MATLAB Mac Labs. We have faculties, best faculties coming from Noida as well as other locations, who are either PhD or net qualified and are capable enough to train you onto subjects. We have been providing good internship opportunity. Industry experts have been coming from all sectors. People from print media, FM channels like jockeys, radio jockeys of FM channels have been coming and been training students, have been interacting with students and getting them in and out of the industries. So all best industry experts have been coming and has been giving you the best knowledge of the industries. Apart from that, you have been providing internship opportunity. You get the opportunity to go and work in this print media, electronic media, and multiple media at the end of every year. And at the end of the day, with good companies comes a placement opportunity from all sectors.
Right, so even they made some small movies in the YouTube also.
Yeah, students have involved into covering multiple good events all across. Apart from that, they had been making documentary movies as well. And the many students, they've started their own business into video creation and all. And they're doing good in Ranchi.
Vardhan Singh Dubey, are there any considerations for persons with disability?
It totally depends upon how you cope up. Like if you are good enough, you can work in your limitations of a disability. We do encourage students and they can come and they can study at Amity University. This is the right WhatsApp number 7282077772. So students can note down this WhatsApp number. After the session, if you still have any query, you can chat, you can interact on this WhatsApp number for your further queries. 7282077772.
From Shinu, again, you have a girls' hostel.
We have we have tie-up with private hostels. We have a proper girls hostel and boys hostel. So any student who are interested can opt for this. We are coming up with a bigger campus at Dhurwa. I'll show you some photographs of this campus as well, which is coming up. And we are expecting that first phase of this campus will be ready by next year. So students taking admission this year will be shifted in this bigger campus.
Yes, sir.
So this is a new campus which is getting ready at Dhurwa. It is around 11-acre campus and it will house all facilities, all best facilities. And it will be one of the most high-tech campus of Jharkhand. No other university can match the quality of the campus which we are bringing up. I'll show you more pictures of this campus. This is the back portion of the campus. These are hostel wings, these are academic wings, these are administrative building as well as these are the sports facility which will be coming up. We'll have a proper indoor sports complex. This will be the indoor sports complex having all major sports facility, right from climate control swimming pool to shooting range to squash. Every facility will be provided within this indoor sports complex and student can have can take benefit out of it.
So there is one more question from Saurav. By when will the campus be completed?
It will take 2 years time minimum, but first phase, what we expecting, it will be ready by next year and students will be transferred to this campus. So you will get opportunity to study in this campus probably by next year itself.
So from Badal Jaiswal again, I have heard that the mathematics which we used to study during BCA program are enough to do MCA.
Sorry, repeat the question.
Sir, Badal Jaiswal has written, sir, I have heard that the mathematics which we used to study during BCA program are enough to do for MCA.
It is not enough. If you go by the syllabus of MCA program, you can check the syllabus of MCA program of any university. You'll find all mathematics subjects, all mathematics contents, what students studies in their +2 and graduation mathematics. That is integral calculus, trigo, and other aspects are available. And which probably students having no math background will never be able to cope those kind of mathematics and will definitely fail and will never progress into their future in terms of software development. Because in software development, every aspect depends upon the mathematical calculations and all. So you're not good into mathematics, you're not comfortable into mathematics, or you have not studied mathematics in your +2, it will be difficult for you to cope in this and it will be difficult for you to progress further into software development thing. because you'll just become a data entry operator kind of thing, or some designing aspect you can do, but not a proper software engineer you can become without mathematics.
So he is asking that if he does the BCA program, then I think we can go for MCA program, and that will be
Thereafter,
okay.
he can go for MCA program, but he has to study those subjects which I have informed you, like those mathematics and those subjects they have to study. So they have to make sure that they learn those subjects, they like get themselves comfortable in those subjects. That only they can proceed further.
You're right, sir. They can do BCA program, and whatever subjects are being taught in BCA, even the teachers will be helping you out. So don't worry, Badal.
There are two papers of mathematics as well in BCA. There are two subjects, there are two papers of mathematics in BCA as well. So you need to cope up with that as well.
Abhishek Kumar has asked one more question, like, I did mathematics honors in graduation, so can I get admission in MCA?
Yeah, you can. Students who have mathematics background can do MCA program.
What are the subjects in BBA from Shinu?
All management related subjects will be there in BBA. It will all be new for you because you might not have studied subject in your +2. So it will be all management related subjects like managerial economics, or it will be behavioral science, human resource, marketing, finance. So the subjects will get to study accounting.
The next question is from Shri Hari Kalundia. So what are the facilities and placements for BSc IT students?
It will be same as BCA or MCA program. Same companies come and same companies recruit these students as well on the similar platform.
And Saurav, sir, by when we will get the result of interview for admission?
I believe it will take another 2 to 3 days time, 48 hours to 72 hours for result declaration, and you can check your result on the website, as well as our faculty, our team will inform you and give you a call and inform you regarding your results.
Right. So no more questions here, sir.
So we can end this session for today. I have mentioned the WhatsApp number of Amity University Jharkhand. You can note down this WhatsApp number, and for further queries, we can interact on this number. Okay.
Over to you.
Thank you, sir, for guiding the student towards the right path, and thank you, ma'am, for putting up the questions on students' behalf. Students, we hope we have been able to clear all your doubts and queries. May I request respected Dolan ma'am, manager admission, to please conclude the event by giving away the vote of thanks.
Yeah, thank you, students, and thank you, Sumit sir, for giving our students such a motivated information. And I thank Rakesh ji, Deputy Manager, for giving information in our chats. Also, a big thank you to my dear students who have joined us and showed a great enthusiasm in joining this interactive session. We hope that we have resolved your queries. If still you have doubts, you can give a call to us. Students, you are the world, and so please take active interest in education and build your personality and become successful in life during this pandemic. Don't go down. Finally, my sincere gratitude to our IT master and moderated Nikita for making this session successful and beautiful. Thank you, everyone. And dear students, be happy, stay safe, and stay healthy. Thank you to everyone.